Unit 11. Buying a phone. Hey, Michelle.
Hi, Al. Hi, Bob.
Hi, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. Hey, Al. Are those new shoes?
Why, yes, they are. Thank you for noticing.
Al got a new pair of shoes, and I'm going to get a new mobile phone today.
Huh? Well, you've come to the right place. Have you ever had a mobile phone before?
No, this will be my first phone.
Don't worry, it's easy. May I ask, why do you want a phone?
Oh, because Al won't let me borrow his anymore.
That's a good reason. Why else?
Well, everybody else seems to have a mobile phone. Maybe I should have one too.
That's another good reason. So, what features would you like?
A loud ringtone like Take it easy. Right, thanks. And it should vibrate.
I recommend this one.
This one? Great, thanks. I'll take it.
Great.
Hey, Al, do you like my new phone?
Al, is something wrong?
Hi, nice to see you again.
Well, you've come to the right place. Have you ever had a mobile phone before? May I ask, why do you want a phone? What features would you like? I recommend this one.
Hey, Al, do you like my new phone?
Al, is something wrong?